Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. In this lesson, we're exploring Kotter's 8-step change model, one of the most popular frameworks for managing organizational change. Developed by Dr. J. Kotter, a professor at Harvard Business School, this model offers a clear, step-by-step roadmap for leading successful change in any organization, large or small. Change is inevitable, but handling it well is what separates successful businesses from those that fall behind. Kotter's model breaks the process into 8 steps, helping organizations move from their current state to a stronger and more competitive future. Let's go through these steps in order. First, create a sense of urgency. Leaders must help people understand why change is essential, highlighting the risks of inaction. For example, facing fierce competition, Microsoft under Satya Nadella created urgency by focusing on cloud computing and innovation. Second, build a guiding coalition. This means forming a team of influential people who can champion the change. Strong leadership and teamwork are critical for maintaining momentum. Third, form a strategic vision and initiatives. Leaders need to clearly define the future direction and outline the path to success. Tesla's mission to accelerate sustainable energy is an excellent example of a bold and motivating vision. Fourth, enlist a volunteer army. Change requires widespread support, not just from senior leaders, but from employees across the organization. Engaged employees provide energy and ownership for the change effort. Fifth, enable action by removing barriers. Obstacles like outdated systems, skill gaps, or resistance must be addressed early to smooth the path forward. Sixth, generate short-term wins. Early successes build confidence and demonstrate the benefits of change. Amazon's improvements to delivery speeds helped to win over customers and build momentum. Seventh, sustain acceleration. Initial wins aren't enough. Leaders must continue setting goals, tracking progress, and keeping energy levels high throughout the change journey. Finally, institute change. To make change permanent, new behaviors and processes must become part of the organizational culture. This involves reinforcing the change through policies, training, and recognition. Kotter's model is effective because it keeps people at the center of change. It focuses on building belief, maintaining momentum, and making new ways of working part of everyday life. However, the model is not without criticism. Some argue it assumes change is predictable, when in reality, it can be messy and non-linear. Still, Kotter's framework provides a practical foundation for leaders navigating transformation. In summary, Kotter's 8-step change model gives businesses a clear, structured approach to managing change. By following these steps, leaders can create urgency, build strong coalitions, and embed lasting improvements. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please like and subscribe.